Hello, my name is Alpern Yashar and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today's tutorial video is going to be about measurement adjustments in the Swift Sensors console. In some cases, users will like to adjust their measurement readings in the Swift Sensors console. For example, if a kitchen is self-calibrating their sensors. In order to get the measurement adjustment page, please click on the measurement you want to make an adjustment to. Then click on the gear icon on the top right and click on Edit. Here we have two options in creating an adjustment. The first is an offset. This is a pure value that is being added or subtracted to the actual measurement value. The second is target. If a sensor is in a controlled environment that is in a constant temperature, you can input that temperature as the target temperature and the console will adjust the reading for that sensor to match. Once you have inputted your adjustment, you will click on the blue check mark to save the adjustment. Please note that we strongly recommend using a NIST calibrated reference device to ensure accuracy. Additionally, this method does not generate a formal calibration certificate, so it may not be sufficient in situations where documented calibration is required for audits or regulatory compliance. Thank you for watching. If you have any more questions, please feel free to contact us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.